Hello and welcome to another episode of SOS Creativity TV and FM. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at tips and tricks for effective social commerce in 2021. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, whether you're watching on YouTube or LinkedIn or you're listening on podcast, because every single week we release valuable content such as this one to add value to you. And with that being said, let's jump straight into today's topic. I'm going to cover 3 points on today's episode, so if you like any of the points, be sure to smash the like button and don't forget to share it with a friend. With that being said, the first topic on social commerce, but before I give you that, let me define what social commerce is briefly. Social commerce really is e-commerce on social media. In a nutshell, that is what it is. It's all about you using the social media platforms to transact and sell online. So that's what social commerce is. Then we're going to look at 3 ways to improve your social commerce in 2021. And the first way is to select the right platform. What exactly does that mean? It goes without saying, before you know what you're trying to achieve, you need to know where you need to be to help you achieve that. Meaning, by selecting the right platform, and to do that, you need to look at your audience. Who are the best customers to buy the products that you are selling? Does that platform mean you need to be on Instagram, for example? Does that mean you need to be on Facebook, for example? Or does it mean you need to be on Pinterest, for example? When you have a very detailed understanding of the best customers, you're able to select the right platform for social commerce. Once you've got your platform, the second point is you need to then encourage people to share and review your content. How exactly do you do that? Well, first things first, most people really don't care about your brand. They care about the value that it can provide to them. So the best way to get people to review and to share your content is by providing value to them. The way to do that is in twofolds. You can go down the entertainment route or you can go down the education route. Where applicable, you should try to combine both. But if you're creating valuable content that gets people laughing so they're entertained, or teaches someone something so they're educated, they're going to be compelled to share your content. When people share your content, you're then able to generate more awareness, which helps you improve the conversion rate of your transactions on the social media platform. Finally, in a busy world, exclusivity becomes a really important strategy, which means you need to make it exclusive to the platform. What exactly does that mean? For example, some of your audience might be on Instagram, some of your audience might be on Pinterest. However, the kind of content that you're creating, if you can tailor it and make it exclusive to the platform, you're able to generate a higher conversion rather than a one-size-fits-all approach of creating something and just blanketly spreading it across all social media platforms. When you have a subtle strategy behind it, so it's exclusive to the right platform, you're able to get better results. So those are the 3 points we're covering in tips and tricks to help you generate more sort of results on social commerce in 2021. I'd love to hear your questions and feedbacks in the comment section. Which point resonate with you the most? Leave them in the comment section, and I'm Steven from SOS Creativity. I will personally get back to you. So till next time, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join the notification squad, and catch you on the next week's episode. Have a wonderful day.